Opa. Hello, I think you said hola. Hello, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you are having a really great one. Here, let's wait for him and let's have some interesting round of discussion. Oh, hello.
हेलो। अरे वो म्यूजिक क्यों बंद कर दिया? इतना बढ़िया बज रहा था। आई थिंक आई एम आल्सो इन दैट मोहब्बतें मूड राइट नाउ।
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली आपने ज्वाइन किया ना, इसलिए वो ऑटोमेटिक बंद हो गया।
ओह, ओके ओके
I
ओके ओके।
think it
हैप्पी
plays when you are
वैलेंटाइंस डे।
doing music. Same to you.
व्हाट्स अप?
बस कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, तुम बताओ।
बस मैं तो ऐसे ही बैठा हुआ हूँ, सुबह से कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा मेरा।
मैंने तो स्टोरीज देखी, इधर उधर कहाँ गए थे?
मैं कल गया था, शाम में बाहर गया था फ्रेंड्स को मिलने। देन वी जस्ट हैड लाइक हुक्का एंड सम ड्रिंक्स एंड ऑल्सो।
ओके।
हाँ जी। थ्री डॉट्स
तो
जेपी नगर।
गाइस, ये सनी है जिसने अभी ज्वाइन किया है मेरे साथ, एंड हम लोगों ने कल बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो डाला था, तो उसको देखो और सनी को फॉलो करो। एंड एनीबडी इन माय लिस्ट, यू नो, जिनको मेल ग्रूमिंग फैशन टिप्स सबके लिए चाहिए, सो डू फॉलो हिम, चेक हिम आउट। अमेजिंग कंटेंट क्रिएटर।
Thank you. Well, yeah, thanks guys, and I hope मेरे भी कुछ followers join कर रहे होंगे. So please do check out her blog. She does amazing makeup on YouTube. So follow her on YouTube, subscribe to her channel, and अगर हमने एक दूसरे का promotion कर लिया हो तो let's just talk. नहीं तो सब भाग जाएंगे. So
We
they'll be
know
like,
that. Oh, that's really cool if you know that. That means we have some common set of followers.
oh
हम
yes.
दोनों को जानते हैं.
So, guys, it's an open forum. Speak to us, talk to us, tell us what's happening on your Valentine's Day. How are you celebrating it? क्या कर क्या रहे हो? Like, are you planning a date with somebody, or you're just sitting Netflix and chill? Hi, everybody who's saying hi to me and Hitesha. So yes, tell us your plans, and if you have any questions related to male grooming, female grooming, beauty, skincare, please do ask. It's an open forum. Let's have a Q&A. Why not just utilize that? So
आप
yeah.
मेरा नाम लीजिए. ओके शिव, मैंने तुम्हारा नाम ले लिया.
ये ऐसे
थैंक यू नाइट वर्ल्ड.
डबल स्क्रीन में ना क्वेश्चंस पढ़ना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
हेयर केयर टिप्स प्लीज. किसके लिए? वो भी पूछो. किससे पूछ रहे हो? सनी से
नहीं.
पूछ रहे हो या मुझसे?
नहीं ठीक है. आई मीन हेयर केयर तो दोनों का सेम ही होता है. मेन विमेन का ज्यादा डिफरेंस थोड़ी होता है.
देखो, बेसिकली आई तो डोंट डू एनीथिंग फॉर माय हेयर. मतलब दिस इज लाइक, यू नो, भगवान की देन एंड मेरी माँ की हेरिडिटी. So I literally don't even oil my hair. So if you ask me, I think Sunny is better to answer this question.
I do oiling like once in a week तो करता हूँ मैं for sure. So वो मेरा रहता है. Once in a week I'll oil my hair. ये hair mask and all ये मुझसे उतना तीन झाम नहीं होता. It's too much to do like put a hair mask and all. But yeah, if you really need good like hair, you can apply curd and anda. Just mix it nicely and apply it on your hair, and then wash it after like 20 minutes. Do shampoo for sure, नहीं तो smell आएगा. And then you'll find your hair like really soft and like really shiny. It makes your hair really shiny. So you can do it once in a week. I think that's I used to do, but now I don't do. I don't get time to do all of that now.
I think what I do is only olive oil. Like olive oil is the best. तो जब मेरा मन करता है once in a blue moon, I just do olive oil का चम्पी, leave it overnight, and then next
Yeah,
day
that's what I do. Like Saturdays ko ya Sundays ko, if I have time, then I'll just do a chumpy and then leave it for like good 2-3 hours and then wash it in the evening. That's what I do.
Someone is telling you, please take your cap
Off?
off. Yeah, वो missing है.
Acha. So if I take my cap off, तो मैंने it's not a bad hair day, but I haven't done anything to my hair today. So it's like I have like very silky hair, तो वो नीचे नीचे रहते हैं. So इसीलिए ये ऐसे है, but ठीक है, I don't mind taking off my cap, it's fine. But
ये
वो
भी
थोड़ी
अच्छा लग
fancy
रहा
थी
है।
ना, it was looking good in the camera. और बताइए guys क्या हाल है? So did you guys check our video? It's there on her page and my page as well. So go ahead and check that video. It's an amazing collaboration which we did together. We created literally a makeup look for men and women both. A glam look, literally a glam look for men and women for Valentine's, or you can like do it for a date night or maybe a party look. So you guys should check it out. It's an amazing video. I hope you like our efforts जितना हमने effort डाला है उसमें, और मेरे को 6 घंटा एडिटिंग में लगा. So please
I
go
know.
ahead.
So ये वीडियो सनी ने एडिट की है and he's done an amazing job. I mean, जैसे ही मैंने वीडियो देखी थी, it was like, you know, wow. And secondly, मतलब you know, there is one common product जो हम दोनों ने यूज किया. अगर आप लोगों ने नोटिस नहीं किया, it is the blue liner. So the
Yeah.
whole idea behind this tutorial was like, you know, how blue goes perfect with me, like women and for men also. So that is a trick there, you know. अगर आप लोगों ने catch नहीं किया है, तो अगर अब समझ में आया तो फिर से जाके देखो एक बार.
हाँ, प्लीज गो एंड वॉच इट. उसको थोड़ा ट्रेंडिंग कर दो यार, प्लीज, बहुत मेहनत लगी है.
हाँ, एटलीस्ट सनी के पेज पे वायरल करा दो. मेरे पेज पे तो मुझे कोई
नहीं
होप
नहीं
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 है.
नहीं नहीं,
उसके पेज
हितेशा पे करा
वायरल
दो.
करा दो.
तो क्या प्लान्स हैं आज के?
कोई प्लान्स नहीं है. फाइनली सुशी ठीक हो गई. मैंने बस आज तो सुशी को मतलब शी इज माय वैलेंटाइन ना. मैं सुबह
Oh,
से उठ के
nice.
उसको नहलाई, एकदम उसको फ्रेश रेडी किया है मैंने. आई जस्ट I will after this I think I will go up and take few pictures, you know, self click shots with sushi.
Oh yeah, that's
So
nice.
let's
अरे इसको
see.
पिन कर सकते हैं क्या? Like I just want to see if I can pin this on my page. Can I do that?
I think
Somehow?
so. पहले तो ऑप्शन था, अभी I don't know. और वैसे भी मेरा आउटफिट दिख नहीं रहा है तो मुझे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है.
I know. इसको पिन कैसे करेंगे? पिन तो नहीं है, फिल्टर्स है. Let me see if I can put some. Oh my god. Oh, I really want to color my hair यार. ऐसा कुछ white या silver platinum types कुछ.
Sushi come here.
This nice.
So मैंने एक comment देखा था. Rahul, he's from London. So he's saying it is very cold here. My skin is always dry. Would you please help me with skin treatment which will remove dryness?
Is this question for me?
I don't know. If it is generic also, it is fine. And by the way, Sushi says happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Finally, my baby is all right. Sushi, look here, look here, look here.
अरे फिल्टर तो पता नहीं कैसे, मैं नहीं लगा रहा कोई फिल्टर. Yeah, so guys, if for dry skin, I would suggest it is a very dadi maa ka nuskha, but even if your skin is oily, do this. Use a nice face oil, or even you can go for simple coconut oil, yeah, virgin coconut oil, yeah, virgin olive oil. Just take it after cleaning your face, apply it, massage it nicely, let it absorb for like good 20 minutes. एंड देन उसके बाद उसको नॉर्मल कोल्ड वाटर से वॉश कर लो. जो थोड़ा सा रह जाए फेस पे, लेट इट सोक इन. एंड उसके बाद आपका फेस ड्राई नहीं होगा फॉर श्योर. बट इफ यू फील दैट योर फेस इज टू ऑयली आफ्टर दैट, then you can use a gentle cleanser and wash it off. But then after that you won't feel dryness whole day. बिल्कुल भी ड्राई नहीं होगा. You can apply sunscreen and go out and come back in the evening, still your face will not be dry. So I have combination skin, तो मेरे को ड्राई का उतना नहीं पता, but I know I still use oil on my face because sometimes if you are applying a lot of makeup and all, it dries your face. वो skin को बहुत dry कर देता है. So I keep hydrating it. Once in a while I use oils or face oils when you get it, like ready-made face oils also. But if you don't want to do all that, so just use virgin coconut oil or olive oil. I think that's the best remedy to cure dryness,
And I would
it
like
helps
to
in.
add one more thing here is like ठंड है तो we generally tend to drink less water. So the more you keep yourself hydrated, see, external is always good, but the more it goes through inside, then it impacts more. So I think more and more water and good food, and then use a cleanser which is very very mild. Don't go for soaps or something because soap can rip off your external layer as well as जो existing oils होगा तुम्हारे face में. So, and try to include hyaluronic acid. So that is a great ingredient to, you know, keep your skin moist.
Okay, there's one more question. I think that's for me. Uh, I can't pronounce your username, but the question is, please suggest me any simple makeup products to use foundation and compact powder for party looks. I don't know which product we can use. I use Maybelline Fit Me. That is like my go-to product for like the Fit Me foundation, and same Maybelline ka Fit Me ka you get the compact. So that is something which is really simple, and only those two products you need to get a nice finished look. But if you want really light, like something really light, you can even try Sugar. It's a cream based stick foundation, but it depends on your like skin type. How will it come out, like the final look will come out. If it's like, if your face is really dry, go for a liquid foundation. If your face is oily, then you can go for a cream this what do you call that,
Foundation.
stick foundation. Yes.
Sunny, what oil do you use for your face glow?
फेस ग्लो, आई यूज एलोवेरा जेल, सो आई अप्लाई एलोवेरा जेल. पता नहीं मैं एलोवेरा जेल को इतना प्रमोट करता हूँ, बाबा रामदेव को मुझे ना कुछ रॉयल्टी देनी चाहिए. लाइक बट आई लव एलोवेरा जेल. पता है मेरे स्किन को इतना अच्छा लगता है. आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई वॉश माई फेस, after I brush and everything, and I just use aloe vera gel. I apply like really thick layer of aloe vera gel, और 15 मिनट के अंदर मेरी स्किन सारा एलोवेरा जेल पी जाती है, पता नहीं कैसे. बट आई रियली लाइक इट, एंड आई लेट इट बी. थोड़ा सा स्टिकी रहता है, बट इट्स फाइन. आई जस्ट कीप इट लाइक दैट. या.
So aloe vera gel is a very good primer also. If you
Yes, it
apply
is a
to
very good
your
primer. Very
makeup,
smooth
it
skin.
is going to make your makeup base look flawless.
Yeah. If you
और
want to
एक
know,
बंदा आपको क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यूअसली पूछ रहा है, भाई घर में मेकअप कैसे कर लेते हो? तो उसको जवाब दे दो.
अरे तो घर में मतलब आई कैन, लाइक आई लव डूइंग मेकअप ऑन माय फेस. एंड या, इफ आई हैव टू शूट और समथिंग, आई डू माय मेकअप इन माय हाउस. सो आई हैव अ मिरर के सामने जाके मैं घर में मेकअप कर लेता हूँ. आई थिंक इससे आसान जवाब क्या ही होगा. हाँ.
सुशी को मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना है, शी इज गॉन मैड. वो जब तक मेरे
Oh.
कपड़े नहीं खाएगी उसको शांति नहीं मिलता. शी इज ईटिंग माय एंटायर ड्रेस.
वो भाग कहाँ गई?
सुशी ये यही है, मेरे गोदी में बैठी, कहीं नहीं भागी है.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा.
सुशी देख, ऊपर देख.
हेलो.
अरे बाप रे, अरे बाप रे, अरे बाप रे.
Okay, there's one more question. Oily skin को control कैसे करें? I mean, you are born with it, so you can't avoid it. But yeah, you can use gel-based products, so that, and oil controlling, face wash, which helps in controlling oil secretion. And don't forget to use a toner. Use a nice toner or astringent, so that it will help tightening your pores. The oil secretion कम होगा, comparatively कम होगा, but होगा. And if you're going out, use a blotting paper, right? Blotting paper with you, and you can just dab if you're like putting makeup on. If you
And a
have
good
makeup on.
compact like that.
Yes. If you're putting makeup, then a good compact. Yes.
I love K Beauty ka compacts. It is like so good and airbrushed finish. And also there's one more thing, oily skin will produce more oil if it does not get that hydration. So that
Yes.
is also a drawback. So keep your skin hydrated. Don't go under that impression ki mera skin oily hai, I don't need a moisturizer or a serum or a toner. Don't do that. Agar aap proper CTM karoge, to then ultimately within some days you can see results.
Good hair oil brand. And my cousin, she's asking you which current lip shade you're wearing.
Okay, so I am going to put up a reel very shortly on this. I mean, I just did this and I felt it is so good. तो मैं shoot जरूर करूँगी, but this is a lip tint by Face Shop जो मैंने पहले use किया है, उसके ऊपर there is a lip mask. So this was my hack, because I just love that glass lips. And why to go to MAC? मतलब MAC only has the lip glass जहाँ तक मैंने R&D किया है. So it is for some 2,000 rupees, and I don't want to waste such a big amount. So this is the hack, and you can actually see, how glossy it makes your lips, and I am just loving the vibe of it.
So Kalyani, go and follow Hitesha. She makes amazing content on beauty. So I'm sure you'll like it. And my cousin, she is like literally a beauty and makeup junkie. So I'm sure she's gonna love your videos.
Yeah.
And then there's a question, good hair oil brand. I don't know. I just use this regular Parachute and, I use Parachute only. I just mix a normal castor oil, olive oil, and coconut oil in one bottle. Keep it together, like keep it in a bottle. And whenever I have to use it, I just warm it up, microwave में थोड़ा सा, and then I do just chumpy. So you can use any regular coconut oil. Even you can get it from a drugstore. Use Parachute if you don't have anything like virgin coconut oil and all, and go mix castor oil, almond oil, and olive oil in it. Keep it. Whenever you're using, shake the bottle, heat it up, and then apply. Very simple. Don't waste your money in like high-end virgin, extra virgin coconut oils and all that. Then, what questions? और
How
क्या
can we
question?
remove dark circle under eyes?
अरे बाप रे. Tell. तब तक मैं और
तो
questions
डार्क
पढ़ता.
सर्कल्स यार, पहली बात तो स्लीप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी आई जनरली गो फॉर द फंडा की जो भी होता है वो इंटरनली होता है. मैं ज्यादा एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स आई वांट दैट XYZ ब्रांड का क्रीम 10,000 20,000 वो काम नहीं करेगा एट द एंड. सो इफ यू कीप इट लोकल ऑल्सो इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. बट कीप योर रूटीन फाइन, जो मैं नहीं
Yeah.
करती हूँ. मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स जो इस लॉकडाउन में बढ़े, आई नेवर हैड डार्क सर्कल्स. So, इसलिए I can say दावे से, if you sleep properly, eat well, it is definitely going to help you. And after that, get some under eye cream, very good natural ingredients wala. So, I love to use Face Shop ka. Face Shop ka, all the face skin products are so good. I mean, it works so well, and after all, it is Korean, us side ka skincare always beats anything. So,
अच्छा,
try
Face
some
Shop, how
Face
is
Shop
it? I really
products.
want to try Face Shop. I haven't tried any products.
I just love it. And anything, from the face mist to under eye cream to the moisturizer and the face wash. Face wash are so good. And there's one scrub which is for oily skin. I just forgot the name. It is some charcoal foam scrub. It is so good. It will not rip off your skin and your skin feels so soft after that. So मेरे को जब भी कोई dramatic या extravagant makeup look करना होता है तो I definitely exfoliate my face. And then I go on, तो smooth application मिलता है.
There is somebody saying sushi is so cute. Then,
Thank you.
then he's saying love your hairstyle, Hitesha.
Oh my God. Finally, किसी ने तो बोला, वरना everyone is like, don't chop your hair, don't
No,
chop
I am
your
telling
hair.
you that इससे भी छोटा करा लो, like this much.
मैंने पता है actually this is like self trim. I just wanted to see the look की how is it gonna look on my face. मैंने इतने किए थे and you can see my hair growth. It is like within 10 to 15 days it has come here. So I think I should definitely cut it short because within 4 months, 5 months it will again go this length.
Go for it. Then we have quite a few questions. हर्षवर्धन asks, भाई फेस पे ग्लोइंग कैसे आती है, फेस पे पिंपल्स के दाग कैसे जाते हैं? See, you have to follow a good morning and night routine. You have to have a skincare routine. Keep it simple. Don't overdo it. कि नहीं, I need to do 5 steps, 10 steps. नहीं, if you like do something which you can follow. Like अगर आप follow नहीं कर सकते उसे regularly, then don't do that. So do something like really simple, cleanse, tone, and moisturize every day, morning and evening. And try to use some spot treatment if you have like pimples or acne or breakouts. Then do spot treatment. Go and dermatologist को consult करो and get that spot treatment का जो भी है, and do that for your problematic areas. So I think these 4 steps are really simple and everybody can do it morning and night, or hardly 10 minutes लगेगा. Maximum 10 minutes लगेगा, not more than that. So just if you have a good skincare routine, you get that glow. And like ये drink water का तो रहता ही है, and sleep is very important. And yeah, eat a lot of fruits. I just eat a lot of fruits. मुझे कुछ munch करना होता है, I just eat oranges and apple या grapes वगैरह. तो vitamin C, citrus fruits जो होते हैं, that helps in getting you glowing skin. But yeah, you
Vitamin
should.
C also helps in
Yeah.
reducing the spots like acne.
Yes.
As well as you can use it on your under eyes. So this is the hack. Use it on your under eyes overnight and you will see a difference over time.
Yeah. And your skin will be like वो थोड़ी सी bright हो जाती है.
हाँ.
Any remedies for forehead hair? Okay. ये एक बंदे ने पूछा है, शुभम मिरकर। आई डोंट नो आपने चेक किया है शुभम, देयर इज अ रील ऑन माय फीड जिसमें आई एम यूजिंग very simple sa blade which is not so sharp, so you can use for like face hair. Even girls use that, and I have seen
Yeah,
a lot of girls using it for like hair, like
the
little bit of
face trimmer.
face hair hota hai. So you can even use it for, you know, shaping up your eyebrows. So you can use the same blade to actually remove the hair on your forehead if it's too much. So go
Correct.
check it out. That video is there. So I have done it like here. I get like facial hair here, so I do it here. So you can also do it here or here, or if you have like a little bit hair here, or even shape your eyebrows. So do check out that video.
And that face trimmer is useful for girls, like how it will remove your dead skin. You can just, it's not necessary if you have hair only, then you can use. I do face shaving a lot. So once a week, I definitely do that. So, you know, it takes out the extra gunk, sebum, everything. And it will give your canvas that smooth, that smooth canvas, and then makeup और भी अच्छा लगता है.
Okay, there's another question by Abhishek85. He asks, please tell me a hair care routine which makes my hair healthy and overcome dandruff. Dahi. Trust me. That dahi and nimbu, mix it together, apply it on your hair, leave it for like good 20 minutes, and then wash it and shampoo. Dandruff to chala jayega. Lemon helps in removing dandruff, but it makes your scalp dry. So you have to mix it with something which is hydrating. So either you can use curd, or you can even use honey, and you can even mix egg in it. But lemon and curd works really well if you have dandruff. Do it like initially you can do like twice every week, and then you can go to once every week, and then you can go to once in 15 days, depending on how your dandruff is reducing. So that will help in removing dandruff. देन भाई फेस वॉश बताओ कौन सा यूज करना। अरे मुझे लगता है कि ऑन योर चैनल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गाइज हु हैव स्किन केयर प्रॉब्लम्स।
So I got the best person for you. You know, you can shoot your questions.
So भाई फेस वॉश बताओ कौन सा यूज करना चाहिए। मैं बियर्ड वालों आई थिंक बियर्डो का यूज करता हूँ फेस वॉश। आई थिंक बियर्डो का जो फेस वॉश है दैट इज चारकोल बेस्ड। आई डोंट यूज चारकोल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स बिकॉज वो मेरी स्किन को सूट नहीं करते। बियर्ड फॉर बियर्डो जो फेस वॉश है उनका चारकोल का, दैट इज स्टिल जेंटल, बट आई यूज न्यूट्रोजिना डीप क्लीन which is normal to oily skin. It's in white color pump bottle जिसका orange color का उसका liquid होता है. So I use that one because my skin is a little bit towards oily side. If you have dry skin, go for a cream based face wash. Cetaphil is best. So you can try Cetaphil, or for me Neutrogena Deep Clean for normal to oily skin works. So that is something I use. So I can suggest you that. It is good and it's very gentle. So you can use that.
So इससे मुझे एक आइडिया दिमाग में आ रहा है कि you guys have so many questions, so we can put up a question वाला sticker box for you, and next time we will have the products handy, like as per your questions. What do you feel, and you can actually see, so it gives a better idea. So next time we'll plan accordingly.
My cousin is asking Sunny and Hitesha, are you planning to visit Hyderabad? If you invite us, then we will.
Yeah, definitely. We can shoot some amazing content there. So you invite us to come.
There are very nice locations. मैं तो गया हूँ 2-3 बार. It's a beautiful place. Ramoji Film City है. It's beautiful.
Correct.
Okay, there's a question. Any tips for summers, or are fluorescent colors gonna be in looking at your cap? Fluorescent like neon colors 2020 में बहुत चला था. 21 में I'm not so sure, but I'm pretty sure that mustards and these salmon pink and all these colors are going to stay for this spring and like early summer. Then we'll see how the trend goes. So abhi ke liye what I can predict is like really nice pastels, mustards and salmon pink, salmon orange. These kind of colors will go really well right now. So yeah.
Love from Europe. Oh my God. Thank you.
There's a question. Don't your friends bully while doing makeup? No, they do not. They support me a lot. And yeah, I get a lot of love and appreciation from all my friends. And yeah.
And anyways, I don't know. See, you should not bully either it is a girl or a boy. Makeup is something which is, you know, it comes out of love. I feel so happy. Like आज ऐसे ही सनी ने बोला कि लाइव करेंगे, I also thought कि नहीं रेडी होती, but the moment when it comes, you know, that makeup जो खुशी देता है, तो I feel makeup is a very personal choice, so you should not comment on it. I guess either if you cannot support, then don't even talk about it.
Yeah. Then there is a question. Oily skin, can we use Wow face wash? You should answer this. I don't know.
Wow face wash, I have tried. I literally, I'm not a fan of it, so no from my side.
Okay. Somebody is saying WhatsApp Tanya.
Why
Maybe
don't
your
you guys
friend.
come to Delhi? It's a fashion capital of India. Do a live with a monument backdrop. Oh my
Oh,
god.
yes.
Are you sponsoring that trip? We are ready to come.
I too am going. So yeah, so I'm traveling to Delhi, by the way. I haven't posted it anywhere, but yeah, I'm traveling to Delhi this coming week, Tuesday. I'm going to Delhi and I'll be there for a like good 1 week. So yes, guys, I'll do a live from a monument. Sunny, which face wash you use? I use Neutrogena Deep Clean, normal to oily skin. Okay, there's somebody, he wrote, makeup comes with gender biased mentality of society.
True.
Is it a question or I'm not sure?
No, I think he's just making a comment.
Comment,
and
yeah.
that is actually true. But right now, if you see, all the good content creators are definitely changing the mindset. So
Yeah.
I think India is also changing now.
Yes, yes. Then I think there's a question for you, Hitesha. Diksha
Wow,
asks,
treats acne
wow treats acne very well. Its neem one is good. Okay, that's not a question, it's a
Okay.
comment.
Okay, I think maybe, I'm not sure because I've not used that variant. I had the vitamin C one and I pretty much didn't like it. So I have not tried this one to comment on it.
Then there's one guy asking, I want to remove dark spots. Please use vitamin C based serums and use it, have a nice skincare routine and do spot treatment. So for that, you have to consult a dermatologist because we are not doctors. Yeah, because जो मुझे suit होगा, I'm not like, I cannot say that if that will suit you or anybody else. So I can suggest you a very generic way, but then you have to find your way that what works for you. Everyone does like that. Okay, Tanya also says, Sunny, I like your dewy finish makeup look. By the way, I'm not wearing makeup today. I'm like, no makeup look. I'm not wearing. I just wore my jacket and cap because मुझे live आना था, तो I wanted to look presentable because हितेशा ने बोला मेरे live में अच्छा लगना.
मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला. मेरे नाम पे बिल फट रहा है यहाँ पे.
Then there's somebody.
मुझे बल्कि तुमने इंस्पायर किया था कि कितना टाइम लगता है रेडी होने में. इतना टाइम लगता है. मैं रेडी होके बैठ गई और देखो भाई साहब ऐसे ही आ गए.
अरे मैं आई एम वेरी लेजी टुडे, बट अभी मुझे मॉल जाना है, थोड़ा शॉपिंग भी करने हैं बिकॉज देखता हूँ, जाऊंगा. लाइफस्टाइल के कुछ वाउचर्स रखे हैं तो आई एम थिंकिंग आई शुड यूटिलाइज दैट.
मैंने कल्याणी का क्वेश्चन पढ़ा. इंडियन ब्रांड तो पता नहीं, बट आई कीप डिजाइनिंग स्टफ फॉर मी. मतलब यू नो, इफ यू hear the prices of my outfits, I think you will fade. So let's do maybe sometime वो पूरा.
You should do a nice वो wardrobe reveal type something.
हाँ, correct. So what I do is, like, I am a fan of something different. I don't like what everyone will wear, so the pants and all this stuff. But I will keep going to, you know, the stores where you get kapda you can, you know, hand se kaat ke lo, and I keep designing and I keep experimenting on my look. So that is how I take and choose my stuff. Otherwise I go to Zara. Matlab Zara is one of the favorite places. But otherwise Indian brands तो मुझे idea भी नहीं, I guess कौन से होंगे, तो fashion में इतना सब कुछ है.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot going. Cool Chuck says, hats off to you all to initiate revolutionary steps towards breaking the myth. That's really sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And please support us.
This one I like. Satwik ka comment, ring light is the solution of all problems.
That is true. Even अगर window होना सामने, that also helps because right now I'm
See,
sitting next
today
to the
I'm
window.
sitting in front of natural light, so
Yeah,
either
same here.
natural light or ring light.
Yeah.
Then you are going to look like, you know, you're so beautiful.
Yes, that is true. Get a good ring light. Sunny, my neck area is very dark, I think. So what do I do? So I think you need to exfoliate that area regularly. Use a good body scrub. M caffeine ka body scrub is really good. So use that and then use coconut oil and then just massage on your pigmented area. Gradually, darkness come ho jayega. But if it is something
Also,
hormonal or
you
something,
need
I
to
can't
use
say.
a good sunscreen that
Yes,
will
yes.
prevent.
If it's if it's open and then you are going out and this area is open to sunlight, then you should wear a sunblock.
Going out or even staying inside, because anyways the रोशनी आती है रूम में
हाँ.
किसी ना किसी तरीके से. So
True.
sunscreen is a must, I guess, for, and I think many people of you asked also for a normal routine and to get rid of spots and stuff. So if you use sunscreen regularly on a daily basis without even thinking कि बाहर नहीं जाना है, then it works really good for your face
Yeah.
and body.
So Sushant says, Sunny, you look quite dark. I am looking dark because मैं नहाया भी नहीं हूँ और मैं बस ऐसे ही अंधेरे में बैठा हुआ हूँ एक विंडो के सामने तो थोड़ी सी लाइट आ रही है. That's why maybe I'm looking dark. But guys, I'm not dressed up for a live session today. What is
बकवास,
this?
natural beauty is always good. हम
Yes, yes,
कहाँ
that's
डिनाई
true.
कर रहे हैं?
What is the simplest way to take care of your face for people who don't have time? See, you need to take out 10 minutes in the morning and in the evening, even if you don't have time for your skin or for your face, if you really want to take care. So if you want to take care, take out 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the night, cleanse, tone, and moisturize. You're done. And use a sunblock. That's it.
Please reply my question. आपका question क्या था?
There's somebody, Ronit Jolly Rockers, with a lot of underscores. He says, "Come up, bro, in Delhi. I want to cast you in my upcoming Punjabi song." Wow,
Oh,
क्या
wow.
बात है? वैसे, I'm coming to Delhi Tuesday. So yeah, if you have something for me, DM me or email me. I'll surely reply. Okay, बहुत questions आ गए. Lucknow कब आओगे? I have no idea. I don't know when am I coming to Lucknow. Please reply my question. Paras, please send your question again. I'm really sorry if we missed it. According to Indian brand foundation, which one do you recommend for a dewy skin? This question is for you.
Indian brand, as in you mean drugstore? Because I don't see a lot of Indian brand ka, products. So if you want for dewy skin, I love Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. That is my go-to foundation. Matlab, it is so lightweight and yet it will make your skin look so natural and radiant. So and it is very price is also very cheap. It is $6.99 and always offer kuch na kuch hoga, so you can get it for $4.50 or something. So that is literally my favorite foundation.
Which brand it is?
Nykaa.
Oh, अच्छा Nykaa का वो उनका NYX जो आता है वो Nykaa ही है ना?
कौन सा?
NYX is Nykaa or NYX is different?
No. NYX is not Nykaa. I don't think I have it here with me right now. No, I don't have. But it is a black tube, so it is very good. मतलब वो product is like a must-have. मतलब मुझे, if you give me an option, I don't give you any foundation. I will just have Nykaa का full stock, for a year, and I'm happy.
That's nice. Okay, what about darker underarms? Answer please.
Darker underarms. ऐसे questions जो मुझे problem ही नहीं है.
नहीं, actually पता है, one of my friends, she's a creator and she made a video on darker underarms. See, it is something, it eventually happens because wherever in your body you have friction going on, like between the thighs, under your arms, even on your neck, तो वहाँ पे एरिया डार्क हो जाता है because वहाँ फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होता है and then you get this pigmentation. So it is not very easy to get rid of it, but you need to make sure that you are scrubbing that area really well. Like if you talk about underarms, you can do that. Like you can use a gentle scrub and even you can use like mix honey and coffee powder and वो भी एक scrub बन जाएगा. Just use it and even squeeze a lemon in it. Then it will help in removing the pigmentation. So this is something which I can come up right now. But yeah, it's a
also,
good question.
There are several reasons जिसकी वजह से if talking in girls, because we do go to parlors, you do waxing and stuff, so be careful like what you are using, because I never had a darker underarm ka problem, and then suddenly I visited a parlor and they did not do properly, so उसके वजह से भी होता है, so that might also be one of the reasons. So try and see what you are going through and what is happening, so that way it also is going to help you in a way.
Yeah, and don't shave it too often.
Don't shave at all. For females, don't shave your underarms.
For females, for males, don't shave it too often.
That is going to make your underarms black, and do not use that roll-on deodorants, please. मतलब वो बहुत लोग they will sell it off saying it will whiten, brighten. मत use करो. It is not going to help.
Yeah. How much water you drink daily? I try to drink 3 or more, but वो हो नहीं पाता. I mean, I try to
मेरा भी
like.
नहीं होता है.
I try कि 4 लीटर हो जाए, but वो नहीं हो पाता. I mean, it's very difficult because sometimes when we are shooting, it's like we are shooting for 2 hours and hours, and sometimes वो पानी भूलने का ध्यान ही नहीं रहता, and then we end up dehydrating ourselves, which is not healthy, which is not good. You should drink water. We will try to drink water.
But मेरा इस केस में उल्टा है. I love shooting because the more I'm sitting in front of light, I crave for water. So I keep drinking water more when I'm shooting.
Okay. When I'm shooting ना मैं सब भूल जाता हूँ. So I'm like खाना पानी सब. उस दिन भी when I was shooting that video, I started in the afternoon 2-2:30 बजे जब हमारी बात हुई थी, and उसके बाद I shot till 4, और मैंने lunch अपना 5:30 बजे किया है शाम को. Just like I finished that video, then वो pictures मैंने कहा चलो pictures भी ले लेते हैं, then I started taking pictures, and I completely forgot to drink or eat, and मैंने शाम को 5:30 बजे खाना खाया और फिर मैंने dinner skip कर दिया. So yeah,
यार हमें
this is not a healthy practice.
आ रहे हैं मंडला, इंदौर, बिहार.
अरे बाप रे.
सब लोग बैक टू बैक स्पॉन्सर करो हम लोगों को, हम सब जगह आते हैं.
Yes. Please, हमारा flights book कर दो, हम आ जाएंगे और वहाँ पे meet up करेंगे. Then we will catch up all together, take amazing pictures, do amazing activities, make amazing reels. इंदौर, भोपाल, लखनऊ, Delhi, everywhere.
Nykaa is Nykaa, Nix is international brand, Nykaa is desi. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Sorry, मुझे नहीं पता.
ये अच्छी तरीके से था.
हाँ. Then Sushant says, can I use aloe vera gel as toner? Aloe vera gel is a gel-based hydrating thing. So if you really want to use it as toner, I think you can mix it in water and then do it. But I think toner के लिए rather use rose water and then apply aloe vera gel. So you can use aloe vera gel as primer before putting on makeup, but toner को replace करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है aloe vera gel के लिए. So toner के लिए you tone your face using rose water or like a regular toner if you want to use a brand toner or something like that.
Bella Vita products. I haven't tried. Have you tried?
What?
Oh, how about
Bella Vita organic products? Sorry, I haven't tried that. What are you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? I am sitting at home doing nothing. I will make some nice dal khichdi and eat.
And I did pampering session for myself. I just got ready and मैंने आज कुछ shoot नहीं किया क्योंकि it was like enough content shoot कर लिया, तो I was like today it is a break time.
मुझे भी अभी जितना हो गया पहले मैं वो सारा डालूंगा before I start shooting anything new.
वैसे though Nykaa is really good. I know Nykaa is an indie brand, but we cannot say it specifically because I don't think उसकी product India में बनते हैं. It is कहाँ? Germany. I guess it is manufactured in Germany as far as I know.
Nykaa
का हाँ.
Really? Nykaa
it's not made in India.
Oh.
It's like the formulation and all is not from India. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. Let's Google it.
पता नहीं. सनी जी मुझे भी दाल खिचड़ी खिला दीजिए प्लीज सर. कम होम, I'll feed you, and I love hosting, so yeah, if be my guest.
मैंने राजमा चावल खाए थे जो बहुत ही अच्छे थे. अरे
यार मेरा भी मन. अरे पता है I want to have यार वो राजमा खिचड़ी from that place, Street Stories.
Oh God.
यार वो शख्स वो यहाँ डिलीवर नहीं करेंगे इतना दूर. I wish मैं वो मंगा लेता. मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं चला जाऊंगा इंदिरा नगर खाने राजमा खिचड़ी. मन कर रहा है.
इनवाइट करें, हम चलते हैं.
हाँ पता है, मैं एक बार फिर से जब उधर एक वाइल्ड क्राफ्ट के शूट के लिए गया था, देन आई वेंट टू स्ट्रीट स्टोरीज ऑल अलोन, हैड फूड एंड केम। वो ओनर था नहीं तो मैं उससे कहता कि देखो मैं फिर से आया हूँ खाने। नायका स्टार्टअप इज इंडिया बेस्ड, ये बनता कहाँ है वो तो आई डोंट नो। ओके, सो मे बी इट्स लाइक एन इंडियन ब्रांड, बट आई एम श्योर ये मैन्युफैक्चर शायद बाहर
Yeah,
होता
it
हो,
is
ये हो सकता
definitely
है।
an Indian brand. मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा था. I just missed the name, but it is like, their products are made somewhere.
हाँ, that could be
Definitely,
the
it is
case.
an Indian
I mean,
brand for sure.
it's everywhere. Apple is a US based brand, but उनका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो आईफोन्स आपके चाइना में सब असेंबल होते हैं।
Correct, correct.
हाँ, so it's like that, and they just give contracts like this to other country के, like where you can get the best quality
Google में
work
भी
done.
मिल नहीं रहा, but I will definitely, मैंने कहाँ पढ़ा था, I will search and I will put up a story because I know that for sure, but I am not recollecting it.
जहां तक मुझे भी ध्यान है, नायका इज एन इंडियन ब्रांड, सो आई थिंक इट्स अ स्टार्टअप, इंडिया बेस्ड स्टार्टअप, एंड देन उन्होंने शायद दूसरे कंपनीज को ऑर्डर वो दिए होंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिए होंगे टू प्रोड्यूस मैन्युफैक्चर द प्रोडक्ट और समथिंग, दैट कुड बी द केस, बट द ब्रांड इज इंडियन। Okay, there are a lot of highs. Hi everybody, ask us questions so that we can answer and we keep talking to you guys. और बताओ फिर क्या प्लान्स हैं आज के? मैं तो सच में खिचड़ी खाऊंगा।
कुछ प्लान्स नहीं, मैं कुछ ऑर्डर करने का सोच रही हूँ, क्या करूँ, तो कंफ्यूजिंग, मतलब
नाउ
परेशान
आई
हो
जस्ट
जाता
फील
हूँ
लाइक यू सेड राजमा, तो मुझे राजमा खिचड़ी खाने का मन कर रहा है बहुत ज्यादा, सडन
यार।
क्रेविंग।
ऐसा 10 बार और मत बोल दो, मैं भी गाड़ी लेके निकल जाऊंगी वहां सीधा
मुझे
बोलूंगी, अरे
मुझे
रुक
पिक
जा
कर
थोड़ी
लेना यहाँ से,
देर।
मुझे पिक कर लेना, लेट्स गो हैव राजमा
चलो तो
खिचड़ी।
फिर चलते हैं, सही में बोल रही हूँ
हाँ
मैं।
हाँ ठीक है, लेट्स गो, आई डोंट माइंड।
हाँ तो आप रेडी हो जाओ, लाइव सेशन के बाद बाय द टाइम आई रीच आई थिंक यू विल बी रेडी।
हाँ हाँ, I'll just quickly take a shower. Let's go have food and then yeah. मेरे पास लाइफस्टाइल वाउचर्स भी, we can go to lifestyle also for shopping or something.
चलो तो मैं
वेला ही
तो
हुआ।
वैसे ही रेडी बैठी हूँ, आई डोंट हैव टू डू एनी एफर्ट,
हाँ
आई
ठीक
जस्ट
है,
हैव
लेट्स गो
टू लॉक माय
गाइस,
हाउस एंड
हमारा
कम
प्लान
आउट।
बन गया।
So thank you guys, because आप लोगों की वजह से we made a plan.
Yes.
Hitesha makes really awesome paratha. So this Libyan fishy is my, PG में जब I just came to Bangalore. I used to stay in BTM और मैं विप्रो में काम करती थी, तो ये मेरी फ्रेंड तब से है and she knows me very well and we used to fight, we used to cook because वहाँ पे ना पीजी में it was like one place where you can cook and you वो नंबर लगाने वाला सिस्टम, वो बचपने वाली जो चीजें थी ना, तो that was the thing and I absolutely love her. We have done so many mastis, so that's why she's telling paratha. I love parathas. मतलब I am always a roti, chapati or paratha person compared to rice. What about you?
What about me?
Rice or roti?
No, roti, of course. Rice utna nahi. Rice goes with rajma chawal, chole chawal, kadi chawal, all this stuff. So uske saath I'll have rice. I'm not even a biryani person. I like biryani once in a while, but I'm not like कि अरे Sunday है तो biryani खाना है. Not like that.
हाँ, same.
I would rather prefer
I
aloo
like
paratha और
biryani,
gobi
ऐसा नहीं
paratha
है।
on top of. हाँ?
बट मुझे पता नहीं, somehow I don't crave for rice, like ऐसा कोई बोलेगा तो मुझे oh my god, जैसे लोग हो जाते हैं ना बिरयानी खाने जाना है, मुझे वैसे नहीं,
मुझे नहीं
it is
होता,
very
मुझे
normal for me, like I love biryani also, I like other foods also.
हाँ, कभी कभी I can have, like कभी कभी you get that craving ना कि नहीं बिरयानी वाला. Okay,
वो
there's
once
another
in a month
question.
तो आ जाती है मुझे।
There's a question. How to hide dark circles for men? Tell products and steps to use. So you can, if you want like good coverage, you can go for a nice liquid concealer. But just this is a tip: whenever you're putting concealer, make sure your under eye area is amazingly hydrated. You have like applied a lot of moisturizer, वो बहुत ज़्यादा soft and supple है, prime किया हुआ है, then apply a concealer, नहीं तो वो cakey हो जाएगा. और अगर आपका थोड़ा ऑयली फेस है तो प्लीज बेक योर अंडर आईज वंस यू डू योर कंसीलर. यू कैन यूज ईदर फिटमी का कंसीलर, मेबेलिन फिटमी का कंसीलर, or you can do if you want to do like a really simple creamy kind of thing, you can do Men's XP Mud Concealer. It's a stick and it is very easy to use. उसका भी रील मैंने डाला हुआ है, so you can even do a full face dewy makeup with that one concealer. It is like some 499 का stick and it is amazing. उसके पीछे छोटा सा sponge है to blend your under eyes, which is very handy when you have to do under your eyes. So you can do that. That one product is really good. I mean for dewy finish and medium coverage, not like full coverage but medium coverage आता है. Plans for the night?
And
No plans for the
also,
night.
अगर किसी का अंडर आई कंसीलर क्रीज होता है तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यूज अ प्राइमर टू प्राइम योर आफ्टर मॉइस्चराइजर, देन इट विल प्रिवेंट क्रीजिंग अंडर द आईज. So Neha said your makeup is so good. I think ये मेरे लिए ही है. तो thank
Of
you.
course, मैंने तो किया नहीं है. Okay, I think this question is for you. Did you study beauty and makeup or learned it by like on the fly?
Yes, I did. See, I already knew makeup and I was a big YouTube binge person. So I used to keep learning by that also. But then I joined an academy here because I wanted to get that professionally certified.
Oh, really?
So I am a professionally certified makeup
Oh.
artist, which I don't practice often because I don't think, the makeup artists get that respect what you should get. So I tried it enough and they treat you like shit. So I was like, no, this is not the thing I want at least thoda respect, yaar. If I am doing your makeup or I'm working for you, you should at least consider me as a human being. You can't just treat me like, ye bhi kar do, wo bhi kar do. So I did not like, यहाँ पे लोग जैसे treat करते हैं. So it was not the thing for me. So I just shifted and came to Instagram after that.
I think that was a good move anyway because when you teach makeup in a creative way ना तो लोगों को पसंद बहुत आता है and everybody
At least how
loves.
people appreciate, right?
Yeah.
See, people will ask me. वहाँ पे तो एक ही चीज मिलेगी. इंडियन सोसाइटी का एक ही प्रॉब्लम है यार, ये जैसी भी है आप इसको गोरा बना दो. यार गोरा बनाने का काम मेरा नहीं है. You cannot expect a makeup artist to do wonders. And then क्या होता है ना, एक घर था जहाँ पे मैंने किया ब्राइड का एंड उसकी सिस्टर का. अब ऑब्वियसली द ब्राइड वाज लिटिल डार्कर एंड द सिस्टर वाज फेयर. सो एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक यू मेड द ब्राइड लुक डार्क एंड द सिस्टर इज लुकिंग फेयर. इट इज नॉट माय थिंग. इट इज both the complexions are different. What can I do about it?
I know. I think there's one question for you. Like which branch you did your engineering from?
It was Makeup Academy, Gloss and Glass, but there are
नहीं,
many
नहीं.
other institutes.
Actually कुछ interaction चल रहा है जहाँ पे there's somebody asking कि किसी ने बोला कि she's an engineer. So that person is like, oh which branch? तो engineering किस branch से किया है? But हाँ वो makeup वाला भी बता दो.
तो हम दोनों ही हैं, मैं और
हाँ.
सनी. अगर आप लोगों को पता नहीं है तो.
Yes, yeah. I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, but yeah, that was like
I am a
हमारी.
bachelorates graduate. I am not an engineer, so I did my bachelorates in computer science, and then I switched to Wipro. वहाँ पे I did my masters. So that is what my history is. I think Sunny is pura engineer.
Yeah, so I did my engineering in information technology, and 8 साल से I've been in Bangalore, IT guy. But yeah, I think I'm going to be a non-IT guy soon.
मैं भी 8 साल से हूँ यार बैंगलोर में, लेकिन हम अब
Oh.
मिले.
है ना, सीरियसली बहुत टाइम हो गया. उस टाइम पता नहीं मैं क्या क्या कर रहा था.
सीरियसली उस टाइम हमने किया होता तो हम अभी कहाँ होते.
सच में अभी तो हम कहीं पे होते यार. सीरियसली अब मुझे लगता है कभी कभी काश उस टाइम पे थोड़ा अच्छे से ले लिया होता इस चीज को, तो पता नहीं. बट ठीक है, इट्स नेवर लेट.
करेक्ट. तो वही आप लोगों को हमको सपोर्ट करना है यार. मतलब देखो, जो भी मेरे पेज पे प्लीज सनी को सपोर्ट करो. I mean, see, it's not like anything ki why should I go to his page? See, it's a world where you can be, without any biased opinion for anybody. एक like, एक comment, एक share will not going to, hamper you, and it does not take more than 5 minutes. So इतना सा
Yes,
चीज आप
guys.
लोग हमारे लिए कर सकते हो. Because if you once just see the whole process, how we think, how we come up on an idea, we decide the outfits, choose the makeup, then the footwear, it's a whole process, and you just see 1 minute out of it. So
Yeah.
you cannot have an idea ki how much effort goes in behind, creating that 1 minute ka video.
Exactly. So जो हम लोगों ने अभी 50 seconds का जो वीडियो डाला है, if you guys see, you'll be like, okay, fine, such smooth transition and all. But trust me, thinking of the idea, then deciding on the song, editing the song, then editing the clips, मतलब literally मेरा 1 सेकंड का क्लिप, हितेशा का 1 सेकंड का क्लिप, फिर मेरा 1 सेकंड का क्लिप, वो एक एक सेकंड के क्लिप आपको 2 घंटे की वीडियो में से जो आपने पूरी रिकॉर्ड करी है निकालने होते हैं. देन यू हैव टू अरेंज इट, देन choose the transitions, music बिठाना होता है. It takes a lot of effort, guys, and creative thinking as well. So we would really appreciate if you guys check out our content, and if you like it, so then please share it as much as you can and support it in a way that other people also get motivated. That's what we want, and we wish कि आप लोग ऐसा करोगे, support करोगे, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now let's just get ready. मैं ready होता हूँ, तुम गाड़ी निकालो, pick me up, and then we'll go to राजमा खिचड़ी का nice food खाना खाने. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us, and yes, please do check out our content, and
keep you posted. And
yes, we'll have some amazing stories coming up from Street Stories with Rajma Khichdi as well. So do check out the stories after an hour, and then we'll see you guys super soon. Thank you so much for joining. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We love you a lot. Bye.
Bye.